Okay, next topic is bill of exchange. First, know about what is the meaning of bill of exchange. In all type of market, many type of business orders there. Sit in systematically. Many type of business holders there. They are doing to transaction between other business holders. As like that, if two business holders there are businessman is there A and B. Okay, beta. They are doing the transaction between these two business holders. Some purchase or some sell like that. Purchase or sell, and all these things on the basis of credit. All these things on the basis of credit. I think you will know about that. Many businessmen is present in the market, and they are going to do the entry, do the purchase and selling between his business. As like that, one bookkeeper is purchased his book from the wholesaler. Retailer purchase the all retailer material from the wholesaler. Like that. So just think about that. If two businessmen is there, A and B, they are going to do the transaction between us. As like that, they are going to purchase and sell. Okay, and this purchase and sell is on the basis of credit. If in cash, then no problem about that. Then no need of bill. Okay, beta. But then they are doing the transaction is credit. So for the security of the transactions and utilizing of that money, they are written the bill of to each other. Or just change this logic. Just see like that. A purchase goods from B. A purchase goods from B. A purchase beta and B sell. If A purchase, then B will sell beta. It's clear? And then B needed the money. B needed money. But it's a credit transactions. A will not able to pay the money. Now the problem is coming. Because B needed the money, but they didn't make the pressure because it's a business, it's a market. Without the credit transaction, without the giving the credit, you cannot improve your shares in the market. On that position, if B needed the money, they required the money, but A will not able to pay the money, B will retain one pro forma or one set that is called bill. That is called bill. Okay? By the return of this bill, A given the acceptance that amount is a purchase amount, they will pay on the due date. That due date decided by the just taking the decision between the A and B. Okay, beta? But in this bill, they are taking the decision about what? That amount is due by this purchase, that will pay on due date. Due date maybe 1 month after 1 month, 2 months after 3 months. Okay? Then that bill will back to Mr. B. Now, this bill by the using by A, by the B in three ways. First, they are taking as a sell. They are just putting in his business. When that date will come for taking that payment, then they are taking that bill and go to the A, and A will go into the pay the money. Okay, beta? Second, if they needed money, so they are going to discount this bill from bank. Okay, beta? Discount this bill from bank. And third, if B want to pay to any other person, so they are going to endorse his bill. Endorse means sell of bill. Sell of bill is called endorse. By these three ways, we will utilize his bill and fulfill his need. This is the utilization of the bill. Without the paying to A, without the paying by A, B will receive the money by the bank or endorse the bill for the payment of any other person, or if no need of cash, then they are taking as like a security self. When the date will come, they are going, show this bill, you are written this bill, you are giving the guarantee to me, after the 2 months, I will pay this amount, A will pay that amount. This is the all system is called bill of exchange. Why? Is B is written the bill, A accepted and give back to B. Okay, beta? And what we are going to do here? We are going to do the entries on the different situation. Here three situation is there. Okay? So from these three situation, we are going to do the entry only. Okay? And set entry is there. That is given in the book. That is set entry. That will not we are going to make. It's a systematic way. That is just following the rule of journal. It's to show. Okay, beta? But set entry that will given in your book. That entry we are going to do on the time of endorsement, on the time of bank discount, on the time of self. Okay? So first start with the see the situation. What thing is going on? First is selling and purchasing, na beta? First is selling and purchasing. It means which entry you are doing. If we are going to do the entry in A, so in A we are going to do the entry for purchase, and in B for sell. Okay, beta? And then B will return the bill. So in B we are going to write the entry for the return the bill, and A will accept, so the acceptance of bill. And when due date will come, then A will give in the money or paying the money on that bill, and B will receive that money. It means these three situation is coming when they are taking self or they are taking the bill in his business. By this we are going to find out just situation is coming in this system, and for the all situation we are going to do the entries. Okay, clear these things? Write down the entry first, and just wait. Here two book. We are going to maintain the two book beta for the book of A and for the book of B. Okay, and in this whole system, three position is there. One dryer, second is dry, and third is pay. Dryer, dry, and pay. Who is written the bill? They are dryer. Okay? Who is written the bill? They are dryer. B here. B is the dryer. And who is accepted the bill? They are dry. A is dry. And pay, who is paying the amount of bill? Maybe that is bill, that is bank. Maybe that the person from whom you are going to induce the bill. Okay, these three things is clear. Dryer. Who is the dryer?
Seller.
Who is written the bill? Who is written the bill? They are dryer. Or seller or the dryer. Purchaser always dry. Okay, beta? And who is paying the money? They are paying. Clear? Now let's start from entry. Which is entry we are doing? On the time of purchase or sell. Make like that. A, B. Okay? Just change the position. He is the dryer. And he is the dryer. Okay? It means he is the seller and he purchaser. Okay? Just think about it. He is going to sell the goods to B on credit. Entry? Anyone? Tell the entries of simple journal entries, remember?
B debit to sales account.
B debit to
Sales account.
and he is purchasing.
Purchase account debit.
Then
Purchase account debit.
purchase account debit to A. Good. Same thing we are doing, beta. Not like the change. It's a special entry. In bill of exchange, we are going to do the special entry, but that will follow the rule of journal beta. It's not like that is coming from the other side. Okay. Now A will return the bill. A will return the bill. Bill means BR and bill receivable and bill payable. Okay. Who will receive the money from that bill is bill receivable, and who is going to pay the money from that is the bill payable. It means from the B here in this position, not that this. In this position, bill payable from the B and bill receivable from the A. So he will receive the money, beta, na? So on the time of return that bill, what entry is there?
Bills receivable debit to
Bill receivable debit by
B.
Just think about the second real account. What amount, what is coming in the business? They are the debit, debit na beta,
Yes, sir.
or not?
Yes, sir.
And who will pay? There.
Given.
Giver will what?
Credit.
Then, in short form, BR account debit to B, and then here A debit to, it's not BR, it's a BP because bill payable. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Then we are going for the first position. These two entry for the all position. In case of endorsement, bank or taking a sell. Okay, beta? These two for selling and purchasing and for the return of bill. Then, if they are staying with this bill on the due date. Now again we are going for the date also. First I am going to explain only entry. This date, due date. A will pay the money.
B.
Sorry, B pay the money, A received. A received the money, beta na? So then cash debit beta
Yes, sir.
or not?
Yes, sir.
Debit na? Because receiving. And from whom receiving? From BR. That person we are not taking. From receiving for which position? For BR. Okay? Or B?
Yeah. Yeah.
B pay the money, then B or BR. Journal entry, you will know nothing. B pay the money to A. Tell me the entry only.
Cash account debit to B.
Cash account debit to B. Why BR is not coming?
So because we first credit the B account. Sir, here bills receivable is going out from the business.
In this position, beta, here it's a debit and here is a credit. Then we are going to make the what I saying that ledger. Then where are we going to post it? Tell me. If you are going to post it in ledger, or making the account of B or making the account of BR, then where are posted?
Yeah, credit.
If you are written the B, it means right, or BR is right. Open the BR account. Open on computer, BR account. Make the BR account like that. As a one. BR account. And then see where we posted these and these entries. And tell me, entry is what? Direct opening questions. Provision and reserve. Seeing or not? Make it count, huh? It's very clear. BR. See, BR, then it's going on debit side, beta.
Yes, sir.
If you are written here B, so that is going on the B account, beta. It's not going in the BR account. तो So BR only position here. Bill receivable is, then balancing amount is come. But it's going to like a 2B and then this. So buy cash. Then finished. Clear? So what will return? Cash account, cash or bank account debit to B R. Okay, beta? Don't use B. B is paying, but they are paying to against for the bill received. Okay, beta? Now come on this position. Entry, make the entry. Just opposite. It's what? BP account debit to cash or bank. Again A. How A will come? Don't utilize A or B, beta. It's a transaction for BR and BP. When they are not paying and they return the bill, after that, this is all the transaction for the BR and BP. See again here. You are transferred the BR, open the account. It's coming on the credit side, A, and then cash is received. Coming on the side, debit side. That BR and BP account also closed. Then close both account, BR and BP. If you are written here B, then it will not close. Because that is transferred in which account? B account. That is not transferred in a BR account. Okay, entry is clear? All these three. This all entry, these two to common. Okay, beta? These two to common, and this third entry on the time of they are taking that bill with self is just taking the bill in his business. They are not going to discounted that bill or endorse it. Okay, up to this today for we are going, and then next day we are going for these two positions, discounted from bank and other things. One more thing is that due date. Okay, beta, due date. How to calculate the due date? Two ways here. One month wise and second is day wise. Okay, beta, month wise and day wise. On the time of month wise, we didn't go to calculate like that or taking our mind कि 1 month 30 day, 1 month 31 day, 1 month 28 day or 29 days. We didn't take the mind. Month means month. Here no need to take in mind of the 31 or 30 day. But when we are going to calculate on the basis of date, then we are going to take that mind कि 1 month for 31 days. Maybe 1 month for the 30 days, 1 month for the 28 and 29. On leap year, February is how many days?
29.
Okay. So how to going to calculate? Just see. As like that date is given. The sell date is 1st Jan. Okay, beta? And then given 3 months. Calculate 1st Jan to
1st April.
1st Feb to March. March to now this we are calculating 1st April. Okay, beta? But 3-day grace period. It's a rule. 3-day grace period is the rule. So then 4th April is it. Your due date is what? 4th April. Okay, beta? Write down anywhere. 3 days is the grace period. Grace period. Okay. So when we are going to calculate by month, it's very easy. Only add the 3 days. But on the basis of date, then problem is coming as like that. 1st Jan and 60 days. Okay, beta? 1st Jan and 60 days. Now calculate 1st Jan, then 31 days in Jan, in February 28. If leap year, when year is given, then we are searching about that is leap year. Today only is thinking of that is the 28. So 31 and 28, what amount is coming? And 1 day means 1st March and 3 more day, 4th March. Okay? Easy or not? Easy na beta? Now going to open the first question. First question. There we are going to calculate only the date, due date.
Sir, what is promissory note? The promissory note.
Promissory note like a bill, but some difference is there. In that they are giving the promise about the some loan amount. And here in bill or bill of exchange, BR and BP, they are giving the note for the his selling and purchasing amount. Okay? First question. Read anyone? Entry is clear or not? That all entry is given in the book. Don't worry about it. But if you are going with this system, then easy to remember the entries. You are going to make the entries, then easy to remember the entries. Okay? Okay, start. First is?
Calculate the due dates of the bills in the following cases.
Okay. First?
1st January 2017, period 2 months.
So, on the basis of month, 1st Jan, 2 month, means Jan to Feb to March, 1st March, and then 3 day, 4 March. Clear? See the answer is coming or not?
Yes.
Next, one more thing. If the any due date is coming and that is the national holiday, so we are going to change that day one day before or one day after. Okay, beta? If like a 26th Jan is coming by the due date, so we are going for the 27 or 25. Okay? Okay, next.
28 January 2017.
28
January 2017.
January. 28 Jan. How many months? 1 month. So 28 Jan to 28 Feb. 28 Jan to 28. Go for the question. Go for the practical question.
1st Feb 2017.
No problem. Only going to practice. Okay. First is first Feb. Okay. First Feb to how many month? 2 months. Feb to March, March to April. 3 day? 4 April. Okay? Clear? Next? 31st Jan. 3 months. Jan to Feb, Feb to March, March to April. April and 3 day? May. 3 May? 3rd May? 31 is not there. How many months? 3 na? And 31st?
So 3rd May.
3rd May na?
Yes, sir.
Next.
30th September 2017.
Now calculate all of you. 38th September. 30. 30th September. Okay? 30th September. How many months? Then September to October, October to November, and then 3 day. Okay? Do it fast, do it fast. Both questions. You will. Start solving. Sit.